Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our off-road car maintenance series. In this continuation, we'll continue our exploration of essential maintenance practices for off-road vehicles. Join us as we uncover more must-know tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly on rough terrain. Post-trip inspection for damages. After each off-road trip, perform a thorough inspection of your suspension and undercarriage. Look for any signs of impact, scratches, or loose components. Addressing damages early can prevent more extensive issues and keep your vehicle in optimal condition for future off-road journeys. Maintaining a keen eye on your suspension system, protecting the undercarriage, and conducting post-trip inspections are key practices to ensure your vehicle remains durable and dependable for off-road exploration. Air filter maintenance. Proper maintenance of your vehicle's air filter is crucial for off-road driving adventures. Clean air filters ensure that your engine receives a steady flow of clean air, which is essential for optimal performance on rugged terrains. Neglecting air filter maintenance can lead to reduced engine efficiency and potential damage, especially in dusty or muddy off-road conditions. Regular air filter inspections. Regular inspections of your air filter are necessary to ensure it is free of dirt, debris, and other contaminants that can impede airflow to the engine. It is recommended to check your air filter every few months, especially after off-road trips or in dusty environments. A quick visual inspection can reveal if the filter is clogged or dirty. Cleaning or replacing air filters. Cleaning or replacing your air filter at the recommended intervals is key to maintaining your vehicle's performance. If your air filter is made of a washable material, you can carefully clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions. For disposable filters, it is advisable to replace them as per the vehicle's maintenance schedule. Clean air filters help your engine breathe easier, ensuring optimal power delivery during off-road excursions. Remember, a well-maintained air filter not only enhances your vehicle's performance but also prolongs the life of your engine. By incorporating regular air filter inspections and timely cleaning or replacements into your off-road maintenance routine, you can enjoy smoother rides and worry-free adventures through challenging terrains. Vehicle lighting. Proper vehicle lighting is crucial for safe off-road driving. Ensuring your headlights, taillights, and auxiliary lights are in optimal condition can make a significant difference in navigating challenging terrains. Let's look into some tips for maintaining your vehicle's lighting system. Checking and adjusting headlights. When it comes to off-road adventures, having properly functioning headlights is essential for visibility in low light conditions. Regularly check your headlights for any signs of damage, such as cracks or moisture buildup. Adjust the aim of your headlights to ensure they are pointing straight ahead and not too high or low, which can affect visibility and blind oncoming drivers. Maintaining tail lights and brake lights. Tail lights and brake lights are crucial for signaling your intentions to other drivers while off-roading. Inspect your tail lights and brake lights regularly to ensure they are working correctly. Replace any burnt-out bulbs immediately to avoid accidents and maintain visibility, especially during nighttime drives or inclement weather conditions. Auxiliary light maintenance. Auxiliary lights, such as fog lights or driving lights, can enhance visibility in challenging off-road environments. Regularly inspect these lights for proper functioning and cleanliness. Clean any dirt or debris that may obstruct the light output. Ensure that the wiring and connections are secure to prevent flickering or intermittent operation during off-road excursions. By maintaining and inspecting your vehicle's lighting components regularly, you can enhance safety and visibility during off-road driving adventures. Remember, clear visibility is key to a successful off-road journey, so don't overlook the importance of proper lighting maintenance. Emergency preparedness. Carrying essential tools, recovery equipment, and emergency supplies is crucial for off-road adventurers. These items can make a significant difference when facing unexpected challenges during your remote travels. Here's a breakdown of what you should have in your emergency kit. Essential tools and spare parts. Tire repair kit. A flat tire in the wilderness can quickly become a major issue. Ensure you have a tire repair kit that includes patches, plugs, and a tire inflator. Basic tool set. Pack essential tools like screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers to tackle common mechanical issues on the go. Jumper cables. Dead batteries are common. Having jumper cables can help you restart your vehicle and get back on track. Flashlight. A reliable flashlight can be a lifesaver during nighttime breakdowns or emergencies. Recovery equipment checklist. Tow straps. In case your vehicle gets stuck, tow straps can be used for recovery by another vehicle. Shovel. A sturdy shovel is handy for digging out stuck tires or creating a path in challenging terrains. Winch. If your vehicle is equipped with a winch, ensure it is in good working condition for self-recovery efforts. Emergency supplies for off-road adventures. First aid kit. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential for treating minor injuries sustained during outdoor activities. Water and non-perishable food. Carry ample water and non-perishable food items to stay hydrated and nourished in case of unexpected delays. Emergency blanket. An emergency blanket can provide warmth during cold nights or serve as a signaling device in emergencies. Being prepared with these tools, equipment, and supplies can help you navigate off-road challenges with confidence and ensure a safer and more enjoyable adventure. Remember, prevention and preparedness are key to a successful off-road journey. In the end, proper car maintenance is crucial for off-road enthusiasts to ensure a safe and enjoyable driving experience. By following these simple tips, such as regular inspections, checking tire pressure, and keeping essential tools on hand, you can prevent breakdowns and costly repairs while exploring the great outdoors. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only performs better but also keeps you safe on rugged terrain. So, gear up, stay prepared, and hit the off-road with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of our off-road car maintenance series. We hope you found these tips valuable for keeping your vehicle in top condition during rugged adventures. Be sure to check out our other content for more helpful insights. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.